welcome to One Lisa Show. This episode is all about my April plans. And I know you're thinking, where is she? This is my sewing space. So welcome to my little current sewing space. I have a little nook in our unfinished attic, and during the winter it was great. Lots of light up here, and it's quiet because it's insulated, as you can see, all that insulation. And it wasn't very cold. However, now it's starting to get warmer, so this space will soon be gone, and I will be moving to the basement where it will be dark and dingy. So I thought I'd show you my bright space, even though it's not finished. It's still very cheery, and I enjoy it because it's nobody else goes here. It's just kind of like my own private getaway. So there's my sewing machine, my little desk, and all of my stuff neatly stacked in these drawers. Now on to my April makes. My plans for April, I'm going really low on plans because I do want to do more items, but I think I'm not the kind of person to plan things out very well. I make the plans, but I just don't have that desire when I get to that project. So there are some things that I already started. They are in my April plans, and that is something that's been in my plans for a couple of months actually. The past 2 or 3 months I have mentioned I want to make this dress. This is Simplicity 8014. It's a basic shirt dress. Pattern Review had it as one of their best patterns of a couple of years. I can't remember which years, but it was one of the top patterns. This is a basic shirt dress, 4 different views. There's different size sleeves, there's a collar or a mandarin collar option, and like a A-line or more of a shirt dress, and then there's a flare. I'm making view B. Let me bring that up there. I talk about this in all my plans videos and I never get around to it. Well, guess what? I have cut my pattern pieces out. This is the fabric. This fabric came from Joann's, I think last month in March. It has been pre-washed and I've already started it. I didn't start it till the beginning of April, so I feel like this is fair game. Sherry from Granny's Sewing Room is working on bras. I absolutely love making bras, and when I saw her last couple of videos where she's talking about bra making, I was like, I need to make another bra. This is my favorite bra pattern. This is from Orange Lingerie. This is the Marlboro Bra. I've made many of these and I love this bra. This is also on my April plans. This is going to be a very short video, right? So I plan to finish that shirt dress. I'm going to make my bra. I didn't make any bras in March, and I felt like I'm due for a bra. By the way, if you're wondering, I did not make this dress. This is an Amazon dress. It was like $12 when I bought it a couple summers ago, and it's been a warm day, so I wore this dress today. It's very comfy and perfect for showing houses. The next item on my plans list is a pattern test. So I really can't talk much about that, but I was invited to be a pattern tester for an item from a pattern company, and that should be arriving shortly in the next day or so, and I will start that pattern test. And even though I can't really talk about it right now, I will find out what I can and can't do when it comes to talking about it or posting. But I want to make sure I have plenty of time devoted to getting that done, and I will finish my shirt dress before I start my pattern testing. So that's 3 items. And then I also want to work on a purse, and I don't have that pattern in front of me. Okay, one of my last Friday Sews videos, I mentioned Simplicity 2617. It is a pattern for basically a patchwork purse. It has a very similar style to the Vera Bradley purses, which I'm a big fan of the Vera Bradley purses. Show you these line drawings. So over Easter weekend, I cut out all the pieces for this pattern, and then I went through my stash of fabrics and decided I definitely had enough of certain colorways of scraps that I could use to make a purse. I have not decided which purse I'm going to make. I cut out all the pattern pieces, but I am leaning towards either, hold on a second, this one or this one. I don't want my head constantly tough. I'm leaning towards this one or this one. And I'm, you know, we both have similar looks. My main concern is I want to make sure my wallet fits in it well. I want to make sure it's not too bulky, and I have a good size handle strap. So I'm excited to work on that as well. So those are my 4 items. The sundress that I'm finally going to finish after like 3 months of saying I'm going to do it. The purse, the pattern testing, which I can't talk about, and then another bra. Usually when I make a bra, I also then, because the needle's already in the machine, I will probably make a couple of pairs of panties as well because they're quick projects and I enjoy it. So I have a feeling there might be more things to show you at the end of the month. And those are my plans, and I'm hoping I have plenty more than what I'm saying I want to commit to. Otherwise, I will probably also be moving out of this wonderful sewing space and going into the dungeon of the basement. In here, I feel like Sleeping Beauty. Down there, I feel like Cinderella. So, that's pretty much it. There's not much else to report. I'm noticing a lot of pattern sales at Joann's and Hobby Lobby, and it's mostly Simplicity and Quick Sew, and then you're getting also the McCall's on the alternate weeks. I am looking for a Quick Sew pattern for a pair of shorts, and I've been to 2 Hobby Lobbies. One was an hour drive away, and neither of them had the Quick Sew pattern I'm looking for, so I think I'm going to have to order it online and miss out on the wonderful 99-cent deals. But I'm very excited because it's an absolutely wonderful pattern. It looks like it's getting good reviews on Pattern Review, and it is a sailor short. So it's button closures here, similar to like a culotte, and it looks really comfy and easy, and I'm on the hunt. So I don't have that pattern number, it's in my car written down, so if I go into any store that might sell Quick Sew, I can check and I have that pattern number. If you have made that pattern and you know exactly what I'm talking about, let me know. Leave a comment below. All right, have a wonderful day, and thanks for listening. And please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and maybe next video or a couple of videos from now, you'll see a whole different view. Maybe I'll show you the sewing space in the basement. We definitely need more lights down there just so I could see what I'm doing. And that's also an unfinished space, but that's okay because, again, it's a place I can go to where it's just quiet. I just need more lighting. Have a wonderful day, and thanks again for watching.